Welcome to the Overthinking Hour. I'm your host, Ruvia, a Virgo who basically has a PhD in overthinking, but I'm finally on a mission to turn all that mental chaos into something organized, meaningful, and let's be honest, productive. Sa bawat episode, we dive deep into the things that keep us up at night. And since today is Valentine's Day, I thought, why not dive into one of the biggest mysteries out there? Today, I have someone very special with me to help navigate the maze of the mind.
He's a May Gemini, a creative soul, and someone who definitely knows how to keep the plot interesting. Please welcome to the Overthinking Hour, Jock.
Hi, what's up?
Crazy. Yeah, so, um, actually, perfect timing. Because as a Virgo, I live for my Google Calendar, my structure, and my consistency. Ikaw naman, being a May Gemini, you're the master of curiosity and that fast-paced mercurial energy. Tama ba?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's true.
Yeah, well, I invited you to the Overthinking Hour because I want to bridge that gap from my overthinking Virgo perspective to your quick-witted Gemini vibe. So, let's see if we can find some logic in the magic. Okay. Alam mo, before we get into the heavy stuff, I want to address their reputation. In the zodiac world, Geminis are always called the twins. People say you have two faces, or that there are two different people living in one brain, which, to a Virgo who values authenticity and order, sounds like a lot to organize. I've always been curious about the duality. Are you really two people or just really good at adapting? So let's dive into our first phase. So, since May Gemini ka, you're basically pure Mercury energy, gifted
Yes.
with words and that effortless social charm. Sabi nila, you're always the life of the party and the social butterfly. Pero real talk, anong side mo yung lumalabas lang pag pagod ka na mag-perform for others? What is the version of you that only appears when the cameras are off, the social battery is drained, and the room is finally quiet?
That's a very interesting question. But yeah, to answer your question though, I would say if it's alone time,
Yeah.
it's there's two sides. There's gonna be the quiet side and there's a loud side.
Mm-hmm.
I guess for my me self time, it's more of alone time, more of improving myself. So
Yeah.
more of ako as someone who is more artistically
Artistic.
inclined
Yeah.
na personality, I draw,
Uh-huh.
I
Yeah.
travel, just to look or seek for yung mga inspirasyon ba na
Yeah.
pwedeng mga ganun.
Yeah.
Pag yung alone time though, unfortunately wala namang makakita.
True.
So, it's more of really reflecting sa mga sa
Oh.
sarili mo lang.
Okay.
Rather than focusing on how yung sa mga improvement sa ibang tao.
Okay.
Yan,
Gets.
if that makes sense.
Yeah, it does make sense. Yeah, it does make sense. So, well, sa sobrang bilis mo mag-adapt sa energy ng iba, na-overthink mo ba minsan kung sino ka talaga? O feeling mo ba true north mo na yung pagiging versatile mo?
That's the downside of us though. Kasi since madali kami mag-adjust sa ibang tao,
Aha.
most of the time, nakukuha namin yung energy ng ibang tao.
Oh,
So, for
interesting.
example, if I'm talking with someone with high energy,
Yeah.
nakukuha namin yun. But at the same time, nagiging double the effort for us kasi we're
Yeah.
also containing ourselves dun sa energy namin. And then, kailangan pa namin sabayan yung energy ng ibang tao.
Right.
And then, it's the other, rin naman pag, I would say, yung sad or may pinagdadaanan ng ibang tao.
Yeah. How do you handle
Ang
that?
bilis din namin na maka-adapt sa kanila, but at the same time, nararamdaman din agad tuloy namin yung...
Like, very, kasi diba,
May mga
Gemini,
empathetic na tao talaga,
Gemini
for sure.
Gemini is an air sign.
Yes.
So, like, parang talagang dumadaan lang, like, dadaan din sa'yo yung emotion and feeling like
Yeah.
you can also, I mean, you will, like, also handle the emotion or the feeling of
So,
the
I
other
guess kasi-
person na nakakasalamuha mo, gano'n.
Kasi I guess, sobrang good ng air sign. I look at it in a way na, if I get to hang out with someone with a fire sign, air is actually good for fire. It actually empowers them,
Okay.
brings fire stronger, or sometimes it could,
It explode.
yes, or blows it out as well.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
other,
yeah.
it could be
It's
the other way around.
around.
Same goes for water. Di ba, water contains oxygen, which is technically air still, which is being needed by other
Ah.
nandoon sa loob
Okay.
naman. So, it helps. And then at the same time, it mixes well with it. Kasi pares kaming free flow ng water.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
For earth signs though, we help them as well grow, which is the need of whatever is there. So parang na-nurture mo na
Okay,
at some
okay.
point. If that makes sense though.
I
Like,
was-
why are
I'm
we
thinking-
actually...
I'm thinking, kung yun sinasabi mo sa earth sign, because Virgos are earth sign.
Hmm.
So, I was thinking na, okay, so ano nagagawa ng air sa earth sign? Like the earth, like the,
Okay.
yeah.
What they have on Earth that actually needs air as well.
yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, so, well, I love the honesty. And it's
Yeah.
interesting how that quiet side contrasts with the social energy everyone sees. But speaking of what happens inside your head, let's move to something we both have in common, but in very different ways. So, this is overthinking versus fast thinking. So, as an overthinker, believe ako sa speed ng utak ng mga Gemini. Like, paano mo na-detect yung brilliant idea na yung naiisip mo or mental noise lang siya brought about by your restless May Gemini nature?
For that, actually, it's mixed of overthinking and fast thinking. Because since we think fast, we detect it fast, we tend to react on it fast. And then ang ending is that minsan, hindi ko naman dapat iniisip yung...
And you end up thinking,
Yes. So, even the slightest change in gesture,
right?
yung pagbabago sa... Say, for example, when you're talking with someone,
Yeah.
yung sa pag-text, pagre-reply, when
The
it's,
chat.
yes, sometimes you have this kind of next steps right away na naiisip mo na kahit hindi naman dapat ka.
What?
Which is
Okay.
crazy though. Which is really crazy. Kasi talagang,
Totoo.
like for example, nasanay ka for day one, magkausap kayo ng whole an hour non-stop. And then all of a
Yeah.
sudden, biglang wala na. Yun, ang ending is, yung naiisip mo is, did I do anything wrong? Or may ano ba? And then, yun lang, i-compensate na nga lang namin of
You,
self-awareness though.
yeah.
Kasi pag hindi kami aware if ano lang yun, like, para lang dun yun sa certain scenario na yun, ang ending is kami rin. Feeling ko, nagpo-fall kami ng under dun sa overthinking side ng Virgos as well. It's crazy though. I would say it's really crazy. Like a slight change.
Well, I think that's the same with Virgos. Kasi, sa amin is like, yeah, we since we are very OC, like, lahat ng bagay napapansin din namin. Like, gesture, like, the reply, the respond, minsan, yung exclamation point, and,
Oh yeah.
like, bakit parang hindi naman ganito last week, tapos ganito ngayon? Ano nangyari?
That is true though.
Like,
Yung
it's mind fucking.
uh,
Kaya like, bakit anong nangyari? May ginawa, like, that starts na, parang dun ko ina-ask sa sarili ko, anong ginawa ko? Ano na namang, may nireply ba ako mali? Like, matagal ba yung reply ko? Parang yung mga ganon.
yes.
Like, dun sa,
I guess sa Gemini ito, yun yung two sides na medyo confused ang mga, people around us. Because there's that side of us na ganun, na nag-react. Pero there's also that side of us that once we figure out kung ano talaga yun,
Mhm.
minsan yung sudden pullback din namin.
Yeah.
Yun yung medyo...
I think that's scary. Like for a person dealing with a Gemini, tapos magpo-pull back yung Gemini. It's like, what? Ano ginawa ko? Why are you pulling back? Like parang, syempre, ano ba? Ang hirap explain. Kasi, pag nagpo-pull back,
Literal. Like,
I know, like parang,
like from high
like,
velocity biglang bagal.
sobrang tahimik.
Ay,
Like from being maingay and then suddenly, what happened? Alam mo, I have a friend na she said that Geminis are really the hot and cold. Yeah.
yeah.
And, parang, I think na nasabi niya yun, it's because of her ex nga. Kasi, parang one time, they're okay, and then the next day, parang hindi na naman sila okay. Sabi ko, I think, dun pumapasok yung sinabi mo na maybe that guy is also feeling na, alam mo yun, parang na-absorb niya yung feeling ng iba. That's why ganun siya. So, does that mean that if the treatment to the other person, like, for example, sa akin, should I not take it personally? Because if, alimbawa, kung hindi ako yung kasama, tapos you're on a different place and may nakasalamuha kang ganito, should I not take it personally? Because the energy doesn't come from me.
Oh, yeah. Oo.
Diba?
Hindi. You
Makes
shouldn't.
sense?
Because ang ano kasi sa amin is that we give back the energy that we're receiving.
I know.
So if nobody, if I'm, say for example, giving my genuine energy to you, and then I'm not receiving back
The same,
the
like
same level,
reciprocation.
ang ending is that I'm gonna reevaluate my actions and then base it from there. Or ang pinaka-ano dito is that sometimes we have the courage to ask kung ano ba talagang gusto mo. And then if we give you that kind of energy, minsan naman ang iniisip sa amin is, teka lang, hindi ko naman ganyan yung una, nawawala yung consistency. And we were like, saan namin ipoposisyon yung sarili namin? Kasi, dahil nga, binibigay lang namin kung ano yung nakukuha namin, most of the time. May takang side naman na bigay lang namin, but most of the time is that
I'm guilty.
diba?
Wait, hindi lang ito syempre, but I'm guilty. Like,
diba?
minsan kasi feeling ko, it's not with the sign eh. It's the type of person that type
Eventually,
of person
kasi
you are.
guide lang naman talaga yung initial
yeah.
na ano. Kumbaga meron ka lang thought na ito yung potential
Somehow,
na ano niyan. Pero hindi naman siya yung as a whole na gano'n na siya.
That's not really your personality as it is. But
Okay.
yeah, the reciprocation thing, that I think that goes to everyone. Na you wouldn't like, pero kasi ako sa umpisa, like, ako kasi like give nang give sa una. And when I feel na it's not being reciprocated, that's the time na somehow parang nagsistep back ako pa unti-unti. And like, ano ba? Wala pa din?
Good job yung paunti-unti mo kasi ako talagang snap.
Hindi,
Teka, quiet muna ako and then pag-iisipan ko talaga
I think kaya ako ganon is because kapag ako is nag-step back na talaga. Step back na talaga ako. Like, I am trying to do it unti-unti. Kasi, doon ko na din ginagawa yung re-evaluation. And parang iniisip ko sa sarili ko na, kasi kapag nag-stop talaga ako ng hard stop, ayoko naman na may pagsisihan ako at the end na, ay hindi, it could have been better. It could have been like this. Alam mo yung it could have been, mga what ifs and ano. Ayoko siyang i-overthink kapag nag-hard stop na ako. Gusto ko pag nag-hard stop ako, I know that I did everything I can. Like,
fair enough.
na bigay ko and everything, ganyan. But yeah, diba? Kasi kapag nag-hard stop ka, and then the other person felt na nag-hard stop ka, like, paano kung ayaw niya na din? Kasi that made them feel na that made them feel na parang, hindi naman, parang baka hindi naman niya talaga ako gusto or hindi niya ako like.
But the thing is, ako personally, as someone na
Yeah.
ang action ko is, if I genuinely like someone, gusto ko talaga.
Exactly.
And I make it a point that I send the message across na gusto talaga kita. So, there wouldn't be that kind of question na,
So, walang mind games.
oh.
Oh.
Kasi, parang, what for?
And,
I don't know.
and actually, siguro, na lang din to. Nagsasalita na tayo in the age, yung maturity na we're in right now.
Agree. I believe that na yung 20-year-old self me is way different from the 20 to na age. It's way different. And, well, unfortunately, learning progress pa rin yung, yung maturity. Marami na.
Yeah. And feeling ko, it doesn't mean na nandito ka sa age na to, natutunan mo na lahat. No. It's like continuous process. So, wala mo parang every time na ako on my end, every time na nakakasalumuha ako, or not really nakakasalumuha, but because people experience, or mga tao experiences different stuff, like situation and all, na matagal kayong hindi nagkausap, and then you like, nagkausap ulit kayo, uy, kamusta ka, ganyan. And you felt that the other person is different from what they were before. So, parang, minsan, dun papasok mo overthink ng, like, what happened? Na parang, so, parang feeling ko,
I think that's on your side of the Virgo side.
Yeah.
Kasi ako, unfortunately, for me, I don't think
ganun
I get a
ako
hard time
sa Virgo.
reconnecting with people. Depende. So, if, yun nga, babalik dun sa energy. Like, for example, I try to reconnect with someone after a long time of not talking with that person. If that person shows interest to talk back, go. Pero if not, mararamdaman din naman agad. So depende rin. Hindi, I don't get that question anymore na parang, baka hindi niya feel or or ganito. Pero pag naramdaman ko yung ganun, wala na. Bounce na ako. I'm good.
Like, hindi, kasi alam mo one more thing na in common ng Geminis and Virgos are, we are magaling in communication. Both are communicators. Like, since we are, Gemini and Virgos are good communicators, have you, like, dahil nga hindi na para mag-mind games, have you tried, like, saying your intention up front? Like,
initially, it was like that. Dun sa age na nung lumapit na yung yung current year or siguro after everything that happened, pagdating mo ng 30 years old or pagdating ng 30 years old, parang feeling ko nandun na ngayon yung part of me that wants to take things na mag-fall into place naturally rather than sabihin ko na gusto ko na agad. Parang ganun. And I think dahil lang rin siguro for the longest time, dahil nga laging fast-paced ang buhay ko personally. When I learned that I had to take things slow, doon na medyo nagbago yung approach with everything. So instead of me jumping in right away, parang I would now have to consider, ito ba talagang gusto? Ito na ba yung priority ko? Ito na ba yung plans ko? Ito na ba yung future na nakikita ko? And that's how you think. Like, instead of just isipin ko lang na, ito na ba talagang gusto ko?
Oh, that's fascinating because
laging merong sunod-sunod na siya.
Like, that's fascinating to hear kasi, diba, since kanina nga, nadaanan natin na Gemini are fast-paced mag-isip. Tapos ikaw, you're like, you're taking it slowly, na taking everything into consideration. That's being organized already
Because that's the other side of us na kailangan. Kasi hindi na, it's not always the fast side eh. Sabi mo nga sa umpisa, nung kanina, is that, ano ba yung side ng Gemini ang meron ka when you're just alone?
So that's the slow.
Versus pag nasa harapan ka na ibang tao.
Yeah, okay. Pag nasa harap ka ng ibang tao, parang kang tornado, no? And then when you're alone, it's like, parang nasa desyerto.
Agree. Like, you
Gets,
would
yeah.
actually find happiness in solitude. Parang ganun yung nangyayari.
Alam mo, parang ang nai-imagine ko in mind right now is, alam mo yung, di ba, tornado. Like, chaotic. Tapos yung pag in silence ang Gemini, like, alam mo yung hangin sa desyerto. Ganun.
Oh, yeah. Yung mainit.
But, going back, yeah. Pag 2 a.m. na or like 3 a.m., yung mga ganyang oras at di ka makatulog, ginagawa mo bang organized list yung thoughts mo like a Virgo o hinahayaan mo lang silang mag-fly away and hope for the best tomorrow? I think this already answered the question na kapag tahimik ka, you're organizing your thoughts.
Yes. Or kapag talagang crowded na siya,
Yeah.
I do something that would step me away from those thoughts. Motorcycle rides, night rides,
Yeah.
overlooking, punta ka lang sa mga good places, punta ka lang, kain ka masarap,
Actually,
di ba?
you can
then-
buy happiness.
Yeah, right? Di ba? At this point in my life, parang dati,
Realize
laging
na.
laging survival mode dati. So pagdating ngayon, parang iba na yung na kaya na kahit papaano.
That before, I was like, money cannot buy happiness. Kasi yung pala pa ako masyadong money dati. Pero, nung may money ka na, like, or siguro, we've learned to be contented.
Yeah.
Na, we settle na, I can, alam mo yung,
Or work on what you have lang.
Yeah,
Na ganun
yun.
sitwasyon. Hindi mo na kailangan parang suntok sa buwan na resolution agad or
like,
suntok sa buwan na get away
na
from this.
sobrang saya agad.
Yeah.
Kasi parang feeling ko, natutunan ko din in life na kapag sobrang saya mo today, the next day, binabawi ng universe. It's
Coincidence, oh. Could be.
like, diba? So parang, feeling ko
yan?
parang dapat very, na lang, like subtle na happiness lang, ganyan.
Baka kasi yun ang lakas kaya ng, ng energy ng manifesting. I think you're a fan of that.
I
Na,
am.
kasi, so syempre kapag masaya ka, and then, inisipan mo siya ng, ay, sobrang saya ko na, and feeling ko, kaya dumadating yun, kasi,
Pero,
unconsciously, na ma-manifest mo na, sobrang saya ko na, may darating na masama.
pero, sobrang bihira ko na lang yan naiisip.
Yeah.
Yang ganyan. Kasi madalas ako, since I'm manifesting nga, parang kung anong energy yung binubuhos mo, that's the same energy na babalik sa'yo. So, parang sa akin ganun siya. So, hindi ko iniintay na maging masaya ako. I make my own happiness. Like,
Fair.
sa maliliit na bagay, pinahanapan ko ng happiness.
As we should.
Diba?
As we should.
Like,
I think.
I've done my chores today, so, okay.
As
So,
we
parang may satisfaction ako, no? Alam mo yung nagiging masaya ka na nakakakuha ka ng satisfaction sa mga bagay na nagagawa mo everyday.
Yeah, that
Diba?
is true.
Even though, mga maliliit na bagay lang. So yeah, the next is communication and connection. So, gifted nga, right, ang Virgo and Gemini sa words. But words can be tricky. So, ano yung one thing na nasabi mo before na sana pwedeng i-undo? At ano naman yung proudest moment mo where you finally spoke your truth?
Deep. That requires deep truth.
Okay.
Holy cow.
Did you feel sa question?
Oo. Pero kasi feeling ko
You
kasi,
feel pressed?
so most of the time kasi, unspoken thoughts ang meron ang ang ako I have unspoken thoughts kapag alam kong potentially makakasakit ako ng ibang tao.
Okay.
So I would rather just like keep it. Pero unfortunately, isa rin yun sa downfall namin. Kasi imbes na magkaroon na ng reaction from it, parang ang nangyayari is I'll just see this through first.
Can be, yeah.
Yeah.
So, it's like you're weighing your decision.
Yes. Always. Kasi parang ang endpoint is that minsan naman sa sobrang tanga na side, alam mo yung impulsiveness to actually say something. Then doon, magsasabi ka naman ng isang bagay na you mean it or I meant it. Pero most of the time, is that really the good choice? Or parang option at that time? Parang ganun yung mangyayari. It's crazy though, kasi parang maraming ganun before. And then, I just decided not to talk about it first. Kaso, yun nga, downfall namin yun, na nag-i-stack, nagpa-pile up siya. And then all of a sudden, cut. I don't care how, parang mangyayari na I don't care how much I love you at that time. I don't care how much I care for you. If cut, wouldn't look behind anymore. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
And, yun nga, sad lang. Kasi, wala, ako mismo, parang, at some point, na dumating ako tuloy sa thoughts of, is this longing or am I ready?
Yeah.
It's just, ayokong, yun yung parang laging question ngayon. Whenever I'm to actually like engage myself.
Yeah, actually.
The question that I have for myself is always, am I just longing?
Yeah, baka dumimis
Or am I
na
actually
in a
ready?
relationship.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because for the longest time, it's always one after another.
True.
And then, this time, I gave myself time to actually try to heal alone.
It's not bad to do that. It's for yourself, for your mental health. Yeah.
And yun nga, wala na makabasag tuloy. And yun lang yung...
You're, kumbaga parang...
hindi ko naman tinataasan yung walls or what. But, you're just parang being mindful kung ano na ba talaga yung...
Ganun ka naka-self-aware.
Because otherwise, ang ano mo kasi doon, ang fear ko most of the time there is that, am I gonna be stuck on the same cycle again?
Yeah.
And yun yung iniiwasan.
Yeah. But, have you... Kasi ako mahilig kasi ako ng... Not really doom scroll, no? Pero, mahilig ako yung...
Kaka-TikTok mo yan?
No, not sa TikTok, sa IG.
Kaka-IG mo yan?
Yeah, kasi minsan, doon ako kumukuha ng ideas Mga ideas ko, ng paggawa sa Canva and all that shit sa podcast. So, meron akong nakitang isang quote na, when you come back, I might not be here. So, parang, you cannot reserve me for later. Diba? So, how can you position your answer to that quote?
I think kapag ako feeling ko lang personally, if someone genuinely wants to be part of your life, regardless, and then if it's too late, sadly, it's too late. You just have to accept facts. There's the fact na yun talaga. Kesa naman ipilit ko right now just because I feel, sige, paka-ready na ako. Pinilit ko with someone. Kasi hindi naman pala.
Like, medyo mabigat
diba? Like, kasi like what's the point of me staying or me staying for that kind of relationship na alam ko naman baka alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi naman pala talaga ako ready.
True.
And then, again, if by the time na maging ready na ako, and that person is no longer, baka nakahanap na ng iba, or already
Yeah.
entertaining someone else, or nandun na doon nga na inaalat yung energy niya. Pero talaga, it's the consequences. There's always, kumbaga,
Yeah.
consequences, right?
Eto. But, I also, eto naman, nung sinasabi mo yung answer mo, what came to my mind is, diba parang, for example, there's a person that is, like, parang naging close sa'yo. And, you feel that person likes you, ganyan. Like, would you know right then and there that you also like the person? Na, sabi nga nila, if you like the person, ready or not, you'll make yourself ready. Kasi you like the person. Or maybe because of the experiences you had, you're no longer like that.
Yes. I was like that.
Yeah.
Kumbaga yung burning age mo.
The carelessness. And,
Although, kahit
wala kang takot-takot sa
di ba? Like, kahit saan yan, papalaga mo eh. Di ba? Pero kasi wala eh. That's it. Yun yung time mo na talagang Pero,
lessons.
as you grow up or grow old, parang dun mo matututunan or dun mo malalaman na there's more than kung ano yung nandyan sa harapan mo.
Actually,
then
it's more,
kung ano talaga yung offer
there's really more than physical attraction.
That's a start.
Yeah.
Wala
Una
namang
yun.
Tsaka amoy. Pag mabantot at maganda
Oh my gosh.
Di ba?
Like, parang hindi mo nalalapitan kahit maganda. But, yeah, okay. Sige. Tanggapin natin yung mga sagutan niya. So, well, since communication and connection niya, you value intellectual intimacy. So, mas turn on ba sa'yo yung partner na nakakaintindi sa'yo agad o yung matcha-challenge yung utak mo?
Matcha-challenge in what way? Like, para intindihin siya?
Matcha-challenge in a way na
na dapat mapaintindi ko sa kanya kung ano yung...
Yeah, or the other way around. Like, you're trying to make...
Oh, hell. Wag na. Parang, pag anti-boba ta. Joke.
Okay. So, technically, you like the same intellectual bracket.
Hindi man
Na you
same,
understand.
pero ako, I would rather spend time with someone na mas matalino sa akin or kasing rather than someone that
lahat parang kailangan mo pa i-explain.
Yes. There's that side of me that loves to teach and nurture other
of course.
Pero
kasi
peers or
depende
friends or whatever. Pero
kung ano
if
ituturo mo.
But if we're talking about yung paano tayo mag-drive talaga ng like close, parang it requires na dapat kahit papano either mas matalino ka sa akin or magkasing talino tayo.
Exactly.
Na nagmamatch tayo ng interest, yung may mga ganito.
Actually, kahit hindi nagmamatch, technically, match na match ng interest, no? Pero alam mo yung magkasing talino kayo but in a different
agree.
Different branch, kumbaga.
Agree ako dyan. Kasi I have friends na hindi man sila nakapag-aral and all. Pero when it comes to being street smart, ang dami ko natututunan. And I would parang pagpapalit ko yung
education.
Oo, over kasi sa ngayon sa panahon ngayon.
Yeah.
Education is nice, yes. Pero would that actually help you like survive through and through?
Actually, there is one thing that a mentor not really taught but reminded me na dapat you surround yourself with people who you want to be in life.
Fair.
Kasi it magnifies. Like, For example, you want to be a businessman. Surround yourself with business-minded people.
Mm.
Like, you want to be ganito, ganyan. Surround yourself with people na somehow with the same interest na
Yes.
sabihin mo na mas matataas na level.
Mm.
So, you could go level with them too. Parang ganon.
Oo.
Kasi,
Ayoko nga ng kakwentuhan kay edad ko eh.
actually,
Kasi feeling ko, lalo na, or this was me on my 20s, or on my teen age, na sobrang swerte ko na hindi ako na patropa masyado sa mga kaedad ko.
mhm.
So, delinquent, makulit, and all,
Yeah.
ng
Yeah.
teenage years. Pero napatropa sa mga kuya-kuya, mas matatanda sa'yo. So, you
Mm.
learned a lot.
Mhm.
Napapasok ng cabaret bar at the age of 14. Nakakita naman nakahubo sa stage. Mga ganong edad. It's crazy though. But, then again,
At the end of the day,
you
hindi lang
learn
naman yun
something
eh.
from them.
Not just the experience eh.
Kasi parang dati kasi parang pag 14 years old ka, tapos kausap mo is kaedad mo na 14-year-old na lalaki na tropa mo din. Tayo na, ang kwentuhan mo, I did hit up on this girl, hit up on
Yeah.
that. Parang hindi na siya beneficial from, kasi ako, feeling ko naman hindi naman ako mag-challenge, pero, kumbaga, kaya.
What would do that to your life?
Ano sa akin,
Anong
hindi
game
katulad
mo
sa
nun?
mga kuya, and
Yeah.
parang,
may mga realization na
oo,
sila eh.
parang mga nasa 20s and 30s na yung mga kaedad yung edad ng mga kasama ko before. So parang iba-iba yung experience na nakuha mo,
Mhm.
inuman, mga bonding nyo,
Mhm.
labas.
Mhm.
At least may mga natututunan kang bago rather than just being
Yeah.
stuck with the same people na ganun lang din naman yung pinag-uusapan lang na more of them than growing na So, yun. Ako, tas yun, nadala ko na lang yun eventually na even sa pagtanda na
Mm.
mas nakaka-close ko yung older than I am. Kasi it helps na may natututunan akong bago from it.
Mhm. Like, yeah. Kasi nga, Gemini sir, parang madali ma-bored. So, kailangan lagi mong lalagyan ng bagong skill, information, ganyan, ganyan. Kasi your brain is fast-paced eh. So, you easily get bored.
May contentment kami sa ibang bagay. Ako, personally, parang kaya kong kumain ng dinuguan. Sorry for you being you. But parang ako, like I could eat that food straight ng few days. Ganyan. Parang kumbaga, may mga ganong aspect lang.
So,
rather,
easily get bored. Depende.
kung whatever we do.
Depende.
Hindi naman siya
not
yung-
in every aspect.
Ah.
Yeah.
Kasi parang
Yes.
pag sobrang bored ka lagi, parang,
Yeah. So, going back, it's, hindi siya yung, you don't prefer yung nasa-challenge ka in a negative way. Because what you are, kasi yung gusto mo is yung connection. Like, nagkakaintindihan kayo. Not really, like, same. Because we all have different perspectives. So, nakakaintindihan kayo, but on a different lens. Maybe. Well, yeah. Kasi, maybe the other person also have other inputs. Like, na maybe mas maganda. Or, alam mo yun? Like,
fair, yes.
yeah, this could have been like this. Kaya mas maganda talaga makapag-usap sa matalino, no? Like, you'll be in awe na nakikinig ka lang na,
like not totally intellectually matalino. But again,
Yeah.
it varies eh. Yung pagiging matalino depends on like anong level ba ng
ang talino.
may offer na talino.
Mhm,
Again, there's
mhm.
people who are street smart,
Mhm,
yung talino talaga when it comes to academics.
mhm.
Sa mga bagay-bagay ng mga nila.
True. But I'm not saying naman na matalinong, diba? Like, matalino kausap. Ganon.
Yes. Or may sense kausap is
Yeah.
much better. Parang ganun.
May sense kausap.
Kesa yung tipong ang usap nyo lang is,
Kung ano, like, puro mga kalokohan and all that shit.
oo. Or worse is yung dramas lang talaga.
Puro chismis.
Oh yeah. I love chismis though, but not to the
Not
point
all the time.
oh, like
Lahat ba
parang
pang hinimasukan mo in life?
Oo, tsaka minsan inaano mo yung yung level of ano mo, yung energy na meron ka. Like do I have the energy to deal with people na
Totoo.
ganun? Or meron ba akong energy na makarinig ng ganun?
Okay.
Kasi dahil nga na-absorb, unfortunately, we have to be mindful dun sa part na yun.
Okay. So, we're good with that. The intellectual intimacy. Okay, so, for past lives and curiosity, if you could live 5 different lives simultaneously just to satisfy your curiosity, anong roles ang itatambay mo sa bawat isa?
Wait, 5 different lives?
Yeah, or
That
You can
I
just-
would be?
yeah. That you're interested.
Pero kasi, feeling ko nga ngayon, at this point, yun na yung dinajuggle ko rin eh. May interest with motorcycles, with the bikes, may interest with art, doing it as a tattooist, tattoo artist. And then nandun na yung career. So, I'm also leaning towards my career at this point. And then nandun naman yung buhay ko as ako at this point, unfortunately, as mas na-enjoy ko yung mag-isa ako compared to before that I've always been yearning for something na perhaps unfortunately I wasn't really that ready to get yet. And then nandun yung karpintero life ko.
The flipping your room
Pero kasi
360.
parang okay din kasi na like at this point, yun nga lang, kahit ganun yung ginagawa ko. Minsan the time that you have right now is not enough. So, minsan hindi pa tuloy alam kung kailan mo siya ipapasok.
Yeah.
So one gets paused out, the other has to continue. Yung mga
Gets.
ganung ano. Pero when you say ba na na different, so depende sa wants talaga
Yeah.
na ginagawa ko na. Otherwise, kasi kung hindi ko kung want ko lang siya, I think
Sige, yung hindi mo ginagawa.
ang one
Let's-
thing,
Let's like explore the many versions of you.
God, probably that side of me that wants to travel. Yeah. Kasi for someone na I don't want to feel enclosed just within. Siguro right now just within the country is fine with me. Marami pa naman talaga ako hindi napupuntahan. But at the same time, parang syempre it's a parang at this point a goal for myself to actually
Travel outside.
know more about whatever, whoever, wherever. Siguro yun, it goes in line with perhaps hindi ko siya nagagawa because restriction with work, kasi limited lang yung free time na pwede mong i-allot for it. Not like, siguro kung if I was working dun sa talagang full-time work from home with the freedom to
Yeah.
actually travel
Yeah.
and accepted
Like
sa
digital nomad, no?
Oo, pwede. Like, I'm gonna go for that.
Wala na uwian.
Wala na uwi,
Kada sweldo mo.
Hindi
book
nga,
ng
baka
flight.
matindi nun, hindi ka na umuwi. Doon ka na nagtrabaho at traveling talaga eh.
Like, di ka na talaga uuwi kasi kada sweldo mo, magbubook ka ng flight, go to a different country, then live there for like 30 days, 50 days,
Perhaps that's one of the
many things.
many things na I would say na gusto kong ma-achieve or magawa ngayon at this point. Ano pa ba?
Is there anything else? Like, wag natin siya lagyan ng restriction, like financial restriction, work restriction.
I guess there's still the desire for learning things. So perhaps again, yun, aral, something that hindi ko nagawa back then.
Mm.
Or I was, but circumstances
Mhm.
did not go
Mhm.
in my favor back then. So, ending up having to stop school. So, yan. Mag-aral. Teacher.
Ooh.
I have planned to
Prof.
be a
joke.
teacher. I know, right?
Anong subject?
I'd probably go for English or meron pa rin bang PE teacher yan? Pero kasi parang wala na ako dun sa physically fit side ko na buhay.
Like, do you think yung mga PE teacher are physically fit? Like,
I don't know.
most of
I don't
the
know
teachers
that.
like, oh, you ran, you did this,
Pero kasi syempre, if
demonstrate
you're
pa
teaching,
rin.
you have to practice it.
Demonstrate.
Otherwise, paano nga naman makikinig talaga sa'yo yung mga tao kung ikaw
Right,
PE
yeah.
teacher ka, ang laki ng tiyan mo. I had teachers like that. So, parang
Yeah, you know.
Oo,
You know
diba?
as a student na,
Oh,
bakit ako mahilig sa'yo?
diba? Pero, turo mo akong tumakbo, tas ganito, laki ng tiyan mo. Salbahe lang natin. Sorry po kung makikilala niyo po ako.
Okay. Well, ako, 5 lives. Not really 5 lives, though.
Parang hindi ko, parang hindi naman ganun karami yung, ko, at this moment. Unfortunately kasi, hindi naman kami katulad nyo na nagpaplano eh. May mga plans. But
Yeah.
like what you said,
Pero,
the sponty side of it,
yeah,
na
that's,
potentially, meron lang mga
Most-
solid talaga
yeah,
na
mas
once.
konti kayo eh.
Sa solid na side na merong once talaga na
Yeah.
gustong gusto, pero the rest, we just work on it as it comes and goes along. Parang ganun.
Ako kasi,
Parang one time nasa Marikina ka, the following day baka nasa Batangas ka na, or nasa Pampanga ka na. Yung mga ganung mga moments. Or minsan, Tagaytay ka na biglaan.
yeah. Ako kasi, not really naman may plano na ako, no? Like what I have discussed on my other episodes sa podcast. Parang I have learned to let go of my other plans due to, parang alam mo yung nakadepende ako sa capacity, sa capability ko to do so. But siguro, if I have to leave, according to my wants, siguro one of it is like, doktora ako.
Doc Jana.
Yeah, doktora. So,
Napanood ko na yun. Somewhere.
and I think the other one is, I think the other one is lawyer. Lawyer. Alam mo naman ako, like, di ba, mahilig ako makipag-usap. And alam mo yung, di ko sure, pero ako kasi yung,
Pero it takes a lot of, fact-finding.
yeah,
A lot of
ganun naman ako
actual
eh.
knowledge dun sa,
Ganun ako. Like, I don't depend on just, like, opinion lang. I'd like to hear it to someone direct or straight rather than hearing opinions or rather than assuming what I think is. Ganon. So, I'd rather hear facts. I'd rather hear facts. Tapos, ano ba? Like, tsaka kasi, ako kasi, is parang I learn by, alam mo yung pag nakikipag-usap ka, mas madali ako natututo kapag yung I do it with this, na dinidiscuss eh. Yung nakikipag-discussion ka. Sa, yeah, mas natututo ako ng ganun eh. Rather than just listening.
Or bigyan ka lang ng
Na,
basahin mo
yeah, hindi ako ganun. Like, gusto ko yung, oo nga no.
Tawag sa ganun.
Maybe kasi may kasama siya na perspective ng other person.
Oh, yeah.
Na perspective ko. Like, oo nga no. Parang mas dun ko siya nakikita na learning as a whole. Kaysa yung naiintindihan ko lang. Kasi parang feeling ko baka hindi. Or maybe that's the part of me na I always second guess myself. I always doubt na may ganun ako eh. There's a part of me na nagda-doubt ako sa sarili ko. So, feeling ko mas okay ako natututo kapag Ganon. Na ririnig ko or nakikita ko yung perspective ng ibang tao.
Right.
Yeah. So, known ang mga Geminis sa pagiging jack of all trades. Ano ang pinaka-random na hobby na pinasok mo with 100% intensity tapos kinalimutan mo rin after a week? What did that phase teach you?
Ooh. Hindi ko pa naman siya kinakalimutan. Pero, intense. Carpentry. Pagpipintura. Pero, that side of me na hindi ka satisfied, it became the source of restlessness for me. So, I have this tendency to actually, if I start on something, I planned it, and then it didn't go as how I planned it. Nagiging source siya ng thoughts na paulit-ulit. And then it becomes rather na source ng stress out ko. Yes.
Yeah, doon
So parang
napapagod
hindi ko
yung
siya
utak mo.
matuloy. Like this one, the actual project sa bahay. So parang ending is that for the past week, started last week, and then isang buong linggo ko siya na halt.
Continuously. You're thinking of,
Naisip ko siya.
ano ba
And then
dapat
it's
kong
stressing
gawin?
the hell out of me.
Ano ba
Yeah,
dapat
sir.
kong gawin? Ano bang next na?
Ah.
Ano ba maganda dito? Like,
Mhm.
yeah, all the ideas are,
Pero
And
yung,
all the stuff.
ano pa ba? May mga bagay pa pa akong tinry. Oh, pagbubundok. It wasn't good. It was a good attempt na nakapagbundok ako. Pero,
how
The-
many times did you
Parang mga
try?
6 times din. Tagal din naman.
That's a good
Pero,
try kasi
Tas
ako
after
once
looking-
lang eh.
tapos kinalimutan ko na siya for years. Like, the last time that
Ako kinalimutan ko na talaga.
parang mga 8 years. Hindi. Oh, may 8 years na rin. May 10 years na rin rather since the last time that I did it. 2015? Oh, tama. May 10 years na rin.
Ano mga bundokan?
The first 3 were here in Montalban. And then the other one was in parang 4 yata dito sa
Mhm.
Montalban. And then 2 sa Bulacan.
Right.
Ayun. So parang after nun,
Like mga minor, ano lang siya.
Oh, hindi naman siya
yung
intense. Hindi naman siya-
mother mountain mo? Mother.
parang wala naman.
Yung unang,
Oh, una dito sa Montalban. Yung unang
yeah.
inakyat ko before. Doon.
Ako,
Pero hindi ko na tinaray yung mga pula.
actually,
ganun.
no,
Parang,
alam mo, I tried to. My first is Pulag.
good job.
I was like 24. Yeah.
Namatay ka.
Pagbaba ko, hindi ko nararamdaman na yung legs ko.
Yeah.
And my shoes are sara-sara na. Because from the putek, from the dulas, ganyan, and all that shit. Because when we hiked, ano siya, December 20,
Rainy
7?
season pa.
malamig. Like,
Oh, yeah.
sobrang malamig. Tapos, syempre, pag malamig,
Moist
naghahamog,
and all.
like, maputek. Tapos, the second try ko is kay Wangod.
Mm. Oh, the tattoo.
Yes. And after that, hindi na ako nag-attempt ulit. Like, I don't feel like physically fit pa ako to do so. Ayun nga.
Yun lang. I think yun lang yung mga na so far na subukan ko for i-attempt. Mga tinaray naman sa artsy side. Ano ko dun? Mag-acrylic, ganun. Mag-paint ng acrylic side, yun. Magpagpe-paint.
Pain.
Mm.
Hindi mo tinalay.
Na-postpone. Oo, pero matagal.
Like, hindi ka...
Hindi siya tuloy-tuloy.
Hindi
Hindi
mo
siya
naisip
yung-
like na ituloy mo. Hindi.
I do naman. Pero hindi lang siya yung like something priority right now to actually do and learn.
Kasi you already are doing your art eh. Like,
Different
Nagtatato ka na eh.
category, yes.
yeah.
So, yeah.
So, I think, okay. So, let's deep dive. Focusing on the May Gemini tendency to be flighty but deeply emotional one, Scott. Naa-attract ka sa talino pero once the intellectual spark is there, paano mo nahahandle yung messy and heavy emotions ng isang real relationship? Hindi ba nakaka-suffocate?
I would say it depends. Pero, dun pumapasok yung side ko na I see things through as much as possible. Like, regardless of the situation. And kapag nga kasi pumasok sa relasyon, parang for me, it's a want talaga. Yung scenario. Gusto ko talaga.
Yeah.
So yung, like you, I hate the thought of the what ifs. If I could still try and fight another, one more day, why not? They're in line with it, unfortunately. Nag-sacrifice din ako personally when it comes to adjustments. So, syempre, coming from the outgoing side,
Yeah.
portion of me still wants to do it, pero syempre, the moment that you get involved with someone, you'll have to consider what the other person would feel. Unless the other person is actually open na, sige, lumabas ka lang, go lang, ganyan. Sige, take your ride, whatever, ganun. Pero kasi hindi naman
Not all
lahat is ganun.
nasusuportahan ka sa gusto mo.
Yes.
Yeah.
So parang pag ganun, I don't leave. Unfortunately, that's the downfall side. Hindi pa ako maalis agad. I would still try. Until such time na nauubos na nga lang.
Kasi, yeah, nakaka-suffocate nga naman yun.
Mm.
And, alam mo, growing up, like, I have been into relationships before and I was like that dati. Until I came to the point na, alam mo yung goma? Like, let's use it as a metaphor.
Oh, yeah. Like,
When you stretch it, the more you stretch it and binitawan ng other person, it would hit back ng masakit sa'yo. So, why would you stretch it? If you know that after you supporting that person, ibabalik naman siya sa'yo. And it would make the relationship much better. Why
Okay.
not? Like, bakit hindi mo siya susuportahan? Diba?
or siguro kasalanan ko rin yun. Because of whatever na-experience nila sa akin as karelasyon.
Oh,
they tend to-
that's a different
Diba?
side. Ibang
Potentially.
kwento yan. So, what I was talking about is if there's no history.
Oh, right. Yes.
Ganyan.
Parang pag ganun.
Yeah. Right. Like, if this is a relationship na you just started, and there's no issue na ganyan.
I think depende rin eh. Kasi baka minsan kasalanan din ko. Ako personally. Baka kasalanan ko rin din kasi na during the start, maraming libre, oras, ganito ganyan. Along the way, circumstances has changed. And you had to sacrifice.
Sometimes cut those. Or
So-
maybe I think it also comes with the communication sa other person. Like, okay, I'll give you this Saturday, next Saturday ako naman. Diba? That could be.
Yeah.
Like, parang, that's, fair. Diba? At least, it's not stopping you, or the circumstances or the situation is not stopping you from doing the things you love. So, yeah. Okay, and as a Gemini, sometimes, you need air. Paano malalaman ng partner mo if space lang kailangan mo to breathe? Or if nang-ghost mode ka na pala?
Oh, most of the time, if I still post, I'm just wanting the alone time. So, parang I could go out, Like, kaya hindi tayo magkasama, I could go out.
Uh-huh.
Or I would go out.
Mhm.
You'll see me post.
Mhm.
Pero yung pag people talagang wala ka nang nakikita about sa akin or anything.
Does that mean parang naka-unfriend na? Like, naka-block and all that shit?
Yes. like,
Like, literal na
literal
ghosting niya.
talagang, ano,
Well, yeah.
feeling ko, that's how I would perhaps or could potentially magawa yung ganun.
Mm.
Or could be also the honest side of us na sabihin mo na lang.
Yeah, much better.
Mm.
Always. Always.
Kasi parang yun naman yung pinaka
Yeah.
kesa hayaan mo lang na hangin yung isang tao.
Exactly. Yeah. True.
Though guilty ako na most of the time. Doon lang ako sa tingnan mo na lang yung post ko.
Doon ka na lang magbase kung okay pa ba ako
Oo.
or like,
Nanay ko nga eh. Alam niyang buhay pa ako kasi nagpo-post pa ako eh. Hindi naman siya nagreklamo.
Okay,
I love
okay.
you lang ako.
okay. Now, for Virgos like me, love stability. Ikaw, you're more spontaneous. Paano mo pinapatunayan sa isang tao na I'm here to stay kahit na pabago-bago yung mood or interest mo?
It's showing up. Showing up doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be there personally.
Mm-hmm.
Pero when in times of reaching out, hindi ako parang I make time. Kumbaga, on certain instances is that yan, it's a friends ko.
Mm-hmm.
Potentially my best friend since kindergarten na meron ako.
Mm-hmm.
We don't really have to necessarily talk every day,
Yeah.
see each other every day. Lalo na ngayon, syempre, di ba? Each and every one of us has our own family or may
Lives.
sarili ng buhay. So, pero in times of need, it's just a one
Yeah.
text or one call away na sitwasyon lagi. And it's settled. Kasi hindi naman lahat would actually give you the same energy. Could be na ikaw ganun, pero pag ikaw na yung
Actually,
di ba?
yeah, and it's sad.
Mm.
Pero there are people like me na, alam mo, dun minsan naiirita sa sarili ko eh.
Hindi, pero kasi, what if, kunyari, ikaw, someone would actually might misinterpret you na walang ginagawa palagi. Pero it's just so happen na tayo na in this age and time, everyone's holding their phone most of the time.
Exactly.
So, pag hindi ka ni-replyan and all,
That's already the message.
yes.
No reply is also a
laging
reply.
ganun. So, parang may nag-message sa akin, re-reply ko as much as possible.
Diba?
Lalo na if that's a special someone or a
Yeah.
friend, like a good friend of yours. Ganun.
One thing, yeah, nasabi ko na naiirita ako sa sarili ko kasi I care deeply about people.
Mm.
And I think that's also my weakness. Na even though there are people who already na parang na-let down ka na nila. Like, yeah, parang I've already been disappointed with them. But still, dahil nga I care deeply about people. Kapag they are like the ones who needs me, ganun, kapag sila yung may kailangan sa akin, minsan nakakalimutan ko kung anong ginawa nila sa akin. Not really ginawa or how they treated or...
I think I have my own version of that sa akin.
Diba?
Like, I keep the good side of people. in me.
Yeah! Yeah!
Like, say for
Same.
example, kahit fucked up yung ginawa sa isang tao. Tapos, pero, in reality, may isip ko yung thought na hindi naman siya naging masamang tao sa akin during that span. Pero, it's okay. Pero ganun.
Yeah.
Kahit pa sobrang fucked up nung ginawa sa'yo. Parang ganun. Ako personally, feeling ko ganun ako.
Yeah. May ganun din ako.
Hindi yung parang, Unless talaga siguro sobrang ano talaga yung ginawa sa'yo na
Yeah.
like super duper
Yeah.
ano
I think,
may level lang din.
yeah.
Parang may level lang din of
Yung
kind of
kaya,
disappointment.
yeah, yung kaya mong i-handle,
Yes.
maybe. Or, yung, alam mo yung, you always see the good in people.
Yeah.
Diba? Curse yun.
I know.
Curse.
Lalo naman pag sabi nilang walang masamang tinapay kasi sa'yo. See, personally, I could actually be friends with someone as low as street kids. Makakausap ko yan.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganun. Hanggang sa mga kataas-taasan na pwede mo makausap.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, everyone is being treated kahit pa paano fairly dun sa part na yun. For me. Mga tama yung mga when it comes to those na merong nagawa rin naman na masama sa akin, parang tinitingnan ko lang din na aside from that, marami naman siguro din nagawa na
Maganda
okay
sa'yo.
sa'yo. Yes.
Yeah.
Or,
Exactly.
ano nga is that, naging mabuti naman siyang tao nung ako yung kausap.
Like,
Parang,
overall naman, no? Oo. Like, hindi lang yung masamang bagay yung tinignan mo sa kanya. Parang, the person has been evaluated already na.
Oo, hindi naman ako first impression last na kind of guy.
Hindi yung, di ba kasi may iba na kapag may ginawa ng mali, yung mali na lang yung nakikita.
Oh, that's true. Yes.
Diba? May ganun eh. So, parang ako, hindi naman ako ganun.
Baka
lalo
ikaw yung
na-
gumagawa nun.
No. Lalo na kapag they are the ones who's reaching out.
Oh yeah, agree.
Parang dun ko na feel na, okay, we're okay. Kasi siya na unang nag-reach out sa akin eh. Like, there's no longer, parang wala nang barrier. So, yeah. Okay. Ayun. So, now, looking back sa younger years mo, sa early years mo, ganyan. Anong advice ang ibibigay mo sa younger self mo tungkol sa pag-handle ng relationships, or especially when a woman's heart is involved?
Ayokong bigyan siya ng anything. Kasi I think everything na ginawa niya or gagawin niya during those times would actually lead towards who I will be today. So, what I'm trying to say there is that if I'm to give my 20-year-old self an advice that could change the outcome of who I will be like now, parang I would rather him
Wag na.
just do it.
Yeah.
Just do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Kasi
Oo naman.
that's gonna take you where you're at right now.
Yeah.
And I think itong version ko ngayon is actually somehow what I could consider yung pinaka peak na ako
Yeah.
na goods na ako.
It's,
Rather than babaguhin ko pa yan that could alter who I am right now.
yeah.
Pero
It's,
siguro mapapabilis lang siguro. Yun. Ano yung,
yeah.
pero,
Na ma-realize mo yung mga bagay-bagay.
oo, pero whatever I have gained along the way because of those stupid decisions, those bad
You won't.
decisions, parang
You
hindi mo makukuha kung babaguhin ko yun eh. Ako
Yes.
that's just for me.
Yeah, I think what the question needs to be is not an advice, but a reminder.
Oh yeah. Agree.
Cause for me, what would I remind my younger self is just hang tight. You'll get there. Like parang malalagpasan mo yan lahat.
Oh yeah.
Eventually, you'll get there.
Yes.
Yan.
Just not to rush it, no?
Yeah.
Yan. True.
So,
That
like,
is true.
take things one step at a time.
Agree. Agree ako dyan.
So, you're great at talking, but are you great at sharing? Ano yung pinakamahirap aminin sa partner? Yung mga traumas mo ba? Or yung takot mo na baka hindi ka pala sapat or enough?
as joke, though,
Uh-huh.
I would say.
Yeah, because
As
we're
I would
no
say,
longer talking about
yeah.
the
As joke,
zodiac.
though, I would say parang who I can communicate. I can send the message across kung ano yung issues and shit.
Yeah.
Ang hindi ko kaya is kapag naging vulnerable ako. And then that vulnerability becomes a target.
Towards your back.
Yes.
Yeah, I get
And then, or worse is that it gets invalidated. And then I think it's not just me though. I think it's
Everyone.
This is for mostly, I would say, for men.
Yeah, gets.
Because I feel that sa mga lalaki, we were parang what do you call that? Parang na program kami to actually do what you gotta do.
Yeah. It's
Regardless.
sad. It's sad.
Regardless of And I'm not sure if people would agree to that. Kasi parang kumbaga, men could actually, or most of the time, are being loved conditionally of what they could offer in the table, what they have on hand. They wouldn't really be loved because of lang sila.
I don't agree.
Hindi nga lahat.
Yeah.
Pero most of the time is ganun yung nangyayari. So for example, would you actually build a family with someone that does not have a dream na lalaki? At some point, you want someone kahit papano that would actually has the courage or courageous enough to actually hold the steering wheel and guide not just the kids but also the family itself. Or pwede rin naman kasi din na mag-guide pa rin ng lalaki even if it's the woman now that is actually mostly doing the providing part of it. So pero like if you're gonna look at it, hindi mo talaga at some point gugustuhin yung walang. So there's a condition if you're gonna look at it. Bakit? So would actually men look at someone na gusto ko tong ligawan, tas what do you call that?
I think it's vice versa.
Mm,
It's not just for men. Now, women na kailangan maybe may conditional na kayang i-bring sa table ang lalaki. Because also, men do that to women. Like,
I think that is for the newer generation that we're talking, or personally, this is more of the point of view of someone who grew up in between the new age and then the
yeah,
old soul
unfortunately,
ones.
I couldn't disagree.
Diba? Kasi
Yeah.
before naman kasi, it's literally what
We were programmed
Oo.
like that.
sa atin lang siguro. Kasi sa newer generation, I think they could do it na ganun.
Yeah.
Okay na sa kanila yung ganun eh. Pero kasi sa atin, dahil inabutan natin yung era of
Yung gitna.
the old souls
And the new
ano.
ones.
Oo.
Yeah.
So parang ano ka dun sa part na
Yeah,
may
gets
side
them.
of you that actually has that kind of mindset.
Mm-hmm.
Meron din siguro na side ko na kaya nga okay lang din sa akin yung thought na uso naman din talaga yung
Yeah.
yung mas capable kasi yung babae ngayon. So,
Yeah.
'di ba? Ganun talaga.
Gets ko yan.
Hindi siya nakaka-degrade ng pagkatao just because si girl ang mas nakakapag-offer on the table. Kasi yun yung situation currently. And everyone has their own face.
Yeah.
And just because you're not there yet doesn't mean you won't get there.
Exactly.
So, therefore, kung unfortunately si lalaki has slower face when it comes to career,
it doesn't mean na
hindi siya maaabot sa
Alam
level
mo,
and it depends on the guy.
Yeah.
Kasi kung okay na siya ng ganyan na siya habang buhay niya, I think okay lang, hindi ko na talaga eh. Pero if ako, personally ako, feeling ko I wouldn't be happy na all my life ganito lang yung sitwasyon ko na.
Of course, you want to accelerate.
Oo. So, ganun pala siya tinitingnan.
Mm-hmm.
And, yun nga, there's a condition, unfortunately. And I think maraming lalaki nakaka-experience on. Feeling ko lang.
It's sad. Pero,
Hopefully,
there's a truth in that though. Kasi alam mo, when I was like on my early 20s, nandyan ako sa ganyang klase ng
aminin mo.
sitwasyon.
Like, aminin mo na...
I was working and the guy isn't.
Mm,
He's the one
kasi
who's taking care
career-
of the kid.
Pero kasi career-wise, you guys success more or faster nowadays. Pero kasi dahil dyan, I guess, the difference in the age, kasi dati naman, hindi naman pinagtatrabaho ang asawa.
Gets ko yan.
Most,
Pero
right?
kasi, before I was in that situation, no? Early 20s ako. But then, dumating ako sa part na, alam mo yung mga napagdaanan ko na sa buhay and all. I was like, alam mo, parang na-realize ko na, it's better to have na, kasi kung, like, balance lang naman eh. Like, you can provide, he takes care of the household. It's
Yeah.
balance. Pero, like what you said, na yung may condition, like, yeah, I couldn't disagree. Na parang lumalabas siya na ganun. Pero kasi nakahilata lang.
Exactly. There's a condition, right? That's why you're staying with that person. What if, di ba? Hindi na nga siya kumikilos. Siya pa
Or
yung ikaw pa lahat.
maybe, kasi ganito yan eh. Why not make gawin natin ganito, no? Like, sige, when you met that person, he's okay, may work, ganyan-ganyan. What happened if wala na? Ganon. Would you still love that person?
Ayun, yeah.
Yun.
Kasi,
Kasi, hindi ka, like, ikaw sa una ba, ma-develop ka or magkakagusto ka ba sa taong nakahilata lang, walang pangarap and all that shit. Kaya nga, I say na,
but yes, women can be loved that way. Imagine mo, sige, sino ba nililigawan?
babae.
Exactly. So, therefore, for example, ito nangyayari siguro to Hopefully, huwag naman madalas. Sabihin na natin, there's this guy na may trabaho. He met someone.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi man sa streets, pero alam mo yun.
Yeah.
He met someone na wala pang trabaho or anything, ganyan.
Mm-hmm.
Pero the guy could actually start liking that person. Ligawan siya. Regardless of the condition. Or situation. Ngayon, si girl now has the power. Would she actually
Gets.
like back someone na nililigawan siya ng may trabaho versus kung nililigawan siya ng isang tambay lang.
Yeah.
So therefore, there's a condition why
The other guy will be
would
picked.
actually be chosen, or
Mhm.
kung ang nangyayari ba is may condition na sige, may trabaho nga to
Mhm.
pero walang emotional intelligence. Wala nga tong trabaho pero may emotional intelligence.
I pick the person who has an emotional intelligence. Because eventually, like, not really eventually, pero
But ngayon, isn't there a condition?
that's okay. No, what I'm trying to say is, may emotional intelligence
It depends
siya.
on what you need. Kasi may pera ka eh. Di ba?
Meaning, alam mo yun, na mag-gets niya pa rin. Ma-feel niya kung anong pinagdadaanan mo. Or
Oh, yeah.
pwedeng pagdaanan mo.
The point
in the
there is that
future.
there's a condition why you're choosing that guy.
Kasi may emotional intelligence. Well, yeah. Pero going back nga sa pag-share ng traumas and all that shit, kasi humaba na yung usapan, hindi naman yun yung question eh.
Sorry.
Kaya napatingin ako, sabi ko, nasa the question? Pinakamahirap aminin sa partner yung mga traumas mo ba or yung takot mo na baka hindi ka pala sapat.
Feeling ko
Open
yung...
ng trauma? Or yung hindi ka magiging enough?
I think yung hindi magiging enough. I would say. Or hindi,
I
yung
think
traumas. I think it's a trauma side.
Yeah,
I
the
think.
trauma.
For me pala, yeah. Kasi hindi mo naman talaga...
Yeah, kasi you mentioned earlier
Hindi mo
na
yung open
yung
up yun
magiging
eh.
vulnerable ka.
And then the
If
fear of...
Putting a target at your back.
And at the same time, yung invalidation side na
Yeah, yeah.
baka hindi pala siya ready na marinig yung ano na yun. And then ending is that, hindi, nababalo ka lang.
Alam mo, I mentioned something on my past episode, no, about being vulnerable to someone. Like, kapag naging vulnerable ka sa isang tao, it's like you giving them the power over you. Kasi para kang
That's love, I would say.
Exactly.
I think
So,
that's love.
no,
Like,
para kang sumusugod sa gera na tinanggal mo yung armor mo.
oh yeah. Okay.
Like, diba? Matik, where yung pupuntahan mo, bakit wala kang armor? So, I think it is about choosing someone who would give you like a safe space so you can be vulnerable, diba?
Fair, yes.
Diba? It's about the other person na kung kaya ka ba niya bigyan ng safe space, ganyan. Bago tayo magtapos, I want to take a moment to look at the chaos we just discussed and find the pattern. In the overthinking hour, we don't just talk for the sake of talking. We talk to find the realization. Kahit na different world ang logic nating mga Virgo sa curiosity ninyong mga Gemini, may isang lesson na lumabas sa usapan natin ngayon. Communication is useless without comprehension. Right?
That is true.
Minsan, we overthink the silence or the duality of the people we care about, when in reality, we just need to ask the right questions and be ready for the honest answers. Whether it's a relationship or a long-term goal, the clarity we're looking for usually starts with being brave enough to share the side of us that we usually hide behind the mask. So for everyone listening, don't just overthink the connection, understand the person. And speaking of understanding, Jock, thank you so much for joining me today.
Do I have a choice? She gave me the choice. It's
Grabe.
awesome, right?
Grabe. Grabe. Grabe, ganun pala. Ganun pala ang mga Virgo. Nang ko-corner. Well, so yeah. Thank you, Jock, for joining the Overthinking Hours.
Hindi biro i-dissect ang utak ng isang Gemini, but I really appreciate how you leaned into the questions and share your perspective. You've given us and our listeners so much to process. Thank you for being part of this chaos and for being so game to explore the duality of your sign. Sa lahat ng nakikinig, especially since it's Valentine's Day, whether you're celebrating with a partner, navigating a tricky situationship, or just vibing alone while focusing on your goals, remember my mantra. Focus on your growth and don't let the mental chaos consume you. Virgos and Geminis might speak different languages sometimes, but at the end of the day, it's all about the realizations and the lessons we take home. I'm your host, Ruvia, turning your chaos into organized thoughts one episode at a time. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Bye!
Paalam.